Good morning. It's Friday, February 25th, 2011. Today we're going to talk about improvements made to oscurrency over the last several months regarding support for multiple currencies and user interface improvements and usability. When you first register and log into the site, you are assigned a default group which also has a currency associated with it. And we're viewing that group right now on the demo site. And every currency is implemented the same, but there is this notion of a default currency. But it's no different than any of the other currencies that you can create on the system. If I click here on the Community Exchanges graph, we can see the latest 6 months of activity as far as exchanges. We can see the currency unit is hours in this case, and this doesn't represent anything but fiddling because this is a demo site. But you can also zoom in and get a more granular view of the activity. The user interface improvements are mostly, are almost always from feedback I've received and desperately needed because I'm not a usability guru. But as you can see, there's 22 pages of people on the demo site, but we can filter it by, just finding who are those people who do web software development. You can see it's gone from 22 pages to 4, and we can find the people that we're looking for if we're looking for a web software developer. Similarly, it works the same way for requests and offers. You can do the same kind of filtering. If you wanted to find who's offering food, you could just filter by food, and that's pretty cool. The notice it says that I'm viewing my group. I can edit it. That means I'm an admin of the group. You can have multiple admins per group. So I'll click here, and on the right here I can edit forum preferences. The only option is whether or not non-members can post to the forum. But you would like to do that, for instance, if you've got a group where the members are the board members of the site, for instance, and they would like to say post meeting minutes and let non-members of the group, non-board members, comment on those meeting minutes. So in that case, you'd want to have a forum such that non-members could post to it. We can edit member roles for the group, and you can see there's 3 admins here for this particular group, and suppose I wanted to add a new admin, say Mark Terrell. I'll make him an admin of this group. I'll just click on admin, and then now he's an admin of the group. Notice that I can no longer edit his membership settings because he's an admin, and that's so that we can't make him not an admin, because once you're admin, you don't want someone to delete your admin privileges, right? Here's another group I'm a member of, bankers. The wrenches are the ones that I'm an admin of. This group has a credit limit, so my credit is 500 bailouts. That's the currency unit, and what's cool let's kind of show off the forum. When I go to a topic, the posts that show up are updated in real time every 30 seconds. So, for instance, if I am another user and submit a post, um, it will update the page um, automatically. So there we go. Somebody said hello. This guy right here, test 7. Um, since I'm an admin, I can delete all the posts in this group. So say I wanted to go ahead and delete that. It's that simple, and he disappears, or that post disappears, I should say. There's a way to see your activity. Just click there, and oops. This gives me a list of my transactions. That's the counterparty for this transaction, paid me 10 units of currency. And this is an open transact URL, and I can talk more about this. It deserves its own screencast, but um, anyway, this is a kind of community standard way to represent payments on the web so that you're not locked into one payment service provider, which would, as you imagine, could do bad things like heavy-handed fees and block access from accepting payments if they don't like you. So another thing I wanted to show was the site admin features. So I'll click to another browser here to someone who's got a site, who is a site admin. So I'll just click admin view there. And there's a site-wide blog, and we don't edit the blogs using the software. You can choose whatever web blog editor you want that exposes an RSS feed, and then whenever you got a new post, you can just click refresh. But what I wanted to show off was you can specify that someone is an organization. So there's a problem with having organizations participate on your site because the issues of transparency come up because who is actually if an organization is a member of your site, who of the organizations are actually participating? Do they know the rules of the site? How do community protocols emerge on your site if you've got organizations playing by different rules than the people on your site? So you need to carefully consider the, how the organizations participate on your site before allowing them to do that. So suppose I wanted to make this guy an organization. I just update it, and now he's an organization. So I'll go back to standard view, and let me go back to the bankers group. List the people. So now we can see there's 2 organizations. I just added one for him. It says this is a profile of an organization, and this guy was already an organization. So just be careful that you make sure that the organizations are equally as transparent as the people on your site. I would like to thank Tara Hui and Rick Simon from the Bay Area Community Exchange for all the conversations we had regarding groups and organizations for participating on a currency site. And of course, Rich Vasquez from the Austin Time Exchange, who's helped a lot in the development of this software. So I hope you enjoyed this, and let me know if you have any questions. Would love to hear from you. Thanks. Bye.